Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel 6.0 video tutorial, and in this video we will learn that how we can make a custom 404 page. By default, when we just go any wrong URL which is not exist, like ABC, it will show like this. And what if we want to change some on the 404 link? For that we have to do just only two steps. First of all, we have to just make a blade template that we want to make a 404 page, and after that we have to just make some code changes inside the app folder, exception folder, and the handle file. So now let's get started with the code. Right, so first of all, I am just going to be on resource folder, on a view folder, and here I am going to make a 404.blade.php. And here for now I am just going to put some very simple code, a single HTML page which is like custom 404 page. Alright, now whenever I am just going to be on refresh it and we will go on the 404 page, it should be show this page. For that, let's go on the app folder, just go on the exception and just click on the handler.php, and here you will find a render method, and here we just need to make some changes here. So I'm just making a small of it so that we can write it very quickly. All right, so just write here first of all if condition, if $this is HTTP exception, and it will take a one parameter which is $exception. All right, then we just have to write some code. So here we just take a variable like code, and you can just take it from $e, which is the exception, and get HTTP, get status code, and this is also a function. So let's make a semicolon at the last, and now let's make a switch condition, or you can just make a if condition also. So let's make a if condition, and here just check that if $code equal to 404, then it just have to return, and in the return it must have to return the response function, and response function will have a view, and in this view we will pass that file name. So it have now 404. So whenever I'm just going to just see it, and let's check the output now, and let's come on here, and whenever I'm just going to be check now, it will show that 404 page. When the page is exist, it will show like this. Okay, and whenever I will go any unwanted or unexisted URL like test, it will show like this. And now you can make this page as much as you want to custom, like you can make put here images, any kind of style that you want to do. All right, so this is a very simple way that how you can create a 404 or 404 page with the Laravel, and this is a completely custom page. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, subscribe my channel, and bye bye, take care. Thanks for your time, beautiful people. Bye.